Hey guys, okay. Third time's a charm. It's the third time I've tried to film this, so we're gonna do it now, and that's gonna be done. It's gonna be done. Okay. You guys know that in the past I have talked about roller skates, and I had reviewed this roller skate. This is the Candy Girl Carlin roller skate. It is a budget roller skate, so if you are looking to start off, try it out, see if you like it. This is a good option to have because it's not that expensive, and a lot of times you can find this skate on sale and everything. And I ordered this from the Kohl's website, so if it didn't work out for me, didn't fit, whatever, I could just take it to a local store to return it. That's why I got this particular skate. Also, the price point was good. Okay, so I have become addicted to roller skates, and apparently I'm addicted to buying them as well. So I got another pair, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. This is the Glam roller skate from Crazy Skates. It's like the Disco, I can't remember, Glam, Disco something. Anyway, so we're gonna take this out of the box, and we're gonna talk about it. Okay, this is the box that it comes in. I ordered this off of Amazon. You can order it from the Crazy Skates website as well. It was same price range as the Candy Girl Carlin's. Comes in a nice bag. This is what the skate looks like. Oh my goodness, if these are not the cutest. Disco Glam is what they're called. So I couldn't pass these up. I know like on camera they probably don't look as good as in real life. In real life they are the cutest, the glitteriest, the cutest skate ever. So let's talk about some of the differences between this skate and the Carlin's. Number one thing is this skate seems to be a bit bigger. They both feel very good quality. They both have aluminum plates. And you can tell like the difference between the wheels is something to think about. This one is going to be really great for outdoor skating, like really great for outdoor skating. They both have urethane wheels, so they're both going to be good for outdoor skating, but I think this one might be better if you're looking for stability because the wheel is larger. It's almost like a square wheel, so you're going to get speed and you're going to get stability from that. This one has more of a rounded beveled edge and a smaller wheel, so this is going to be good for rink skating, but because it is a urethane wheel and it's not very hard, it's gonna stick to the floor a lot. So it's not gonna be as smooth as a harder wheel would be. So this is actually gonna be good for outdoor skating or indoor. They're both marketed for that, indoor-outdoor skates. So, but there's your difference. They both have the fixed stopper, so you can't adjust it if you're interested in that, but these are so cute. Even the wheels have glitter in them. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Okay, so something else that you're gonna want to consider is the width. If you have a wide foot, I would go with this one because it has a wider ball of the foot area. This one is much more narrow, and so it does hurt my feet after a while. But other than that, it's very comfortable. Like the inside of the ankle on this boot it's got padding inside, and the size of it is your regular shoe size. I ordered a size 7. Fits me just like a shoe would. So that's good and makes it easy. I ordered this on the Kohl's website, and they do sometimes have sales. I know last year when I ordered these, they had a Memorial Day sale, like a couple weeks after I had already placed the order, and they were down to like $65. So that's an excellent deal for such a good quality skate. Okay, so again, this one's a little bit wider. I did order the size 7 again, which is my actual shoe size, and it fits really good, and it's really nice actually because it's wider for my wide foot. This one doesn't have as much padding in the boot, and the boot is kind of, it's more flexible, I feel like. Well, I don't know. The flexibility is about the same. I remember when I first put these on though, I felt like the boot was kind of stiff. But I'm honestly, now that I have a little bit more experience, it doesn't seem that stiff. It's not soft like a leather, and this is suede, but it's only the exterior suede. So it's not like a suede boot that will mold to your foot like a real suede. This feels like synthetic suede, but I feel like that might give you a little bit more durability. This is plastic. So most likely if you're rough on your skates, this is going to rub off, or there's going to be some damage done to it because it's just plastic. So that's something to consider if you're interested in that. This came in a couple different colors. They had pink glitter, purple glitter, I think they even had black glitter, silver glitter. This was my favorite shade. Even the cushions coordinate with the tongue of the pink glitter. So this was my favorite shade, so I got this one. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of a demo on these skates. And just keep in mind, ladies, I am not an expert. I'm just a normal person, and I'm gonna give you a normal person's view of this skate. If you're looking for an expert, then I would suggest you check out other skating channels. There's a lot of them nowadays. It's becoming a pretty popular pastime. So I'm gonna go ahead and I've got the other one on my foot already. So that's ready to go. So I'm gonna put the other one on and we are going to do a little bit of a skate around. I am in my kitchen. So I don't want to see in the comments, lady, you need to clean your house, you need to wash your dishes. None of that stuff. We're talking about skates today. Okay, so we're just gonna get these on. And the laces they're white, but they have this sparkle in them. They also, I think on the Crazy Skates website, they sell, you know, different laces and stuff, different colors. So you can accessorize or whatever, however you like. Now I never lace my skates up all the way to the top because I need a little bit more maneuverability in my ankle. That's just how I do it. I'm not saying that's the way to do it, and do not come at me when you fall down on your skates and be like, you told me to do it that way and I fell. Nope, I have no responsibility for your life choices. You do what works best for you. I'm gonna move this box out of the way and this skate. Whoa! And if I fall down, which is entirely possible, that can happen, don't laugh, or at least not much. Okay, first things first, these wheels are really sticky, so I feel like they're sticking a little bit to the floor. Good stopper though, it feels like. Woo! And I'm used to that other skate with the wider wheelbase, so that's causing me a tiny bit of a learning curve. So they feel good. The stopper is working pretty good. It feels it feels like this stopper is a bit lower than the other stopper. I'm not going to go outside and skate today because I don't really have a place to do it. Yeah, these are pretty sticky, so it's a little bit difficult for learning curve on these wheels. Yeah, they're really grippy. They're really grippy. So it's making the maneuverability a little bit difficult, but I think you guys can kind of get an idea. Let me just give you a I don't know, there's not too much action in the trucks, but they are bendy, so it's making it it's pretty easy to turn on them, except for the fact that the wheels are a little bit grippy. Okay, so there you go. I feel like this is a good skate for a beginner. And they're really cute, and that's like the #1 thing. So okay, I think that's all I got for you guys today. If you're interested in seeing me skate in other places or do other skate videos, just let me know in the comments. Again, I am 41 years old, and so I need skates that are going to treat me nice and aren't going to make me fall down. So, because I can't just bounce back. I'm not a little girl anymore. I gotta make sure that I don't break anything or seriously injure myself. So just take that into consideration when you're watching this video and making your decision about skates. I'm talking about the quality of the skate, and I think these are pretty good quality. I want to say I did see these brand of skates sold on the Planet Roller Skate shop. I ordered them from Amazon though because I got free shipping. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, any questions that you might have, put them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.